Hey team, it's Jay, your team leader. I just wanted everybody to know that there is a quick guideline that just came out. Our board just published it. It's from the California Association of Realtors. And for those that don't have the time or haven't had the time to read it, I wanted to send out a quick video covering the bullet points, which are this. Number one, that open houses are now back on. You can host an open house. You can advertise an open house that you are holding it open. I'm going to just read these things to you if you don't have time to download this and read it yourself. No appointments are required, so you don't have to have an appointment to have an open house. They are asking though that you still adhere to social distancing. So if there's multiple people in a house, it's not exclusive to just one group of people or one household looking or going through the house. Now you can have multiple families. Keep in mind social distancing. They're suggesting that you open doors and windows. They are requiring that you have a face mask on. So anybody walking through the house must wear a face mask. You also have to get contact tracing information. Yes, you can still use a PED, but it's no longer required. But having contact tracing information is imperative in case somebody ends up sick in the house and you need to follow up with everybody that was there. What should it include? Follow the posted rules of entry. So the same posted rules we've been using need to be used. Let's see, what else is in here? You can still use the PED, face masks, and cleaning. The house needs to be cleaned at least once a day. So those are the new protocols in a nutshell. I'm trying to keep this to about 90 seconds. So if you have any other requests for information, please go to the California Association of Realtors website or look to your email from the board office. If you didn't receive one, look to spam. I'm also going to send this forward to everybody so you've got a copy of it. If anybody wants to hold an open house this weekend, know that I'm here for you and I want you to win, and let's play it safe out there. I'm glad we can get back to what looks like business as usual. So have an incredible weekend, make it profitable. Talk to you guys next week.